Sun shining brightly through the window as I look in your little blue eyes. Hands wrapped tightly round my finger and the pink clouds fill the sky. Waited for a little bitty while counting down the days till I saw you smile. No words spoken from your lips, one heart's by a country mile. Little brick house, never be the same with your stuff laying everywhere. Fall asleep by your side next to your rocking chair. Tiny little hands, a cute button nose, and they're growing every day. I'd show you off to the world so everybody